Hello everyone, it's BigSeller. BigSeller supports sellers to scrape products from marketplaces, then edit and upload the scraped products to their own stores. I will separate it into 4 steps. This video is the first step. Install the Chrome extension. Let's first go to Products, hit Scrape List. Then click Get Chrome Extension at the top of this page. Then you will be taken to the Chrome Web Store and see BigSeller Product Scraper. Here you need to click Add to Chrome. Then hit Add Extension. Wait a few seconds and you will find the BigSeller extension has been added to your Chrome. Here you can see a shortcut icon of BigSeller on your Chrome.